Hello, welcome back. Good evening, one and all. As you have seen my different video sessions, Mathematics Class 10 is also included in it. I hope you are liking my session and please do like my videos if you find it genuine, and if please watch till the end. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe my channel and do click the bell icon to get the further notifications. If you feel like my channel will benefit somebody who is studying in the 10th standard CBSE, so please do share with them also, and do comment your suggestions on the comment box so that I can improve on my next videos. Thank you everyone. Hi. So today in our section we are going to discuss exercise 1.4. Before that, what is the difference between non-terminating as well as terminating, rational number and also irrational number we are discussing this chapter. So we can go ahead. 0.375. 0.375, you know that 375, we know that 375 divided by 1000 because it is 3 points, so 3 zeros we can do. And now I know that it is 375 by this 1000 I can write as 10 cube. And also this 375 I know that it is 125 into 3. 125 into 3 by 10 cube. So what is this actually? 125 I can write as 5 cube into 3 divided by 10 cube. I can write this 10. I can write this 10 as 2 into 5. Is it? So 10 cube as 2 into 5 the whole cube. We have studied this in the powers of exponent chapter already. 8th standard. So 5 cube into 3 divided by, instead of 10 I am writing 2 into 5 cube. That is 2 cube into 5 cube. Now these two are same, so I am cancelling it. So it is 3 by 2 cube. Okay, so just notify this. So first answer I got 3 by 2 cube. Now I am going to moving towards the second question. .104. That is 104 divided by 1000. Same thing. So I can split 104 as 8 into 13 divided by 10 cube. This is what 2 cube. So 2 cube into 13 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube. Because already I told that 10 we can express it as 2 into 5 the whole cube. That is 2 cube into 5 cube. Here also I can cancel this and I got the answer as 13 by 5 cube. So I am just notifying this answer also, 13 by 5 cube here. Next is 0.0875. How I can write it? 875 divided by 10,000. 875 is actually 125 into 7 divided by 10 raised to 4. 125 again I know that I can split as 5 cube into 7 divided by 5 raised to 4 into 2 raised to. Here cube is there, here 4 is there. So I can cancel this and only 1 is remaining there. So my remaining answer is 7 by 2 raised to. So now I am writing, so before answer also 3 by 2 cube, 13 by 5 cube, 7 by, this is 5 is also there, sorry, 5 into 2 raised to 4. 7 by 5 into 2 raised to. I am rubbing the other things here. Can I find any peculiarity in the denominator of these numbers? Yes, either 2 raised to some power is there, otherwise 5 raised to some power is there, otherwise 5 and 2 both are there. Either 2 is there, otherwise 5 is there, otherwise both 2 and 5 are there. So these numbers are actually what we have found out that numbers from rational numbers. From the decimal we made it as rational numbers, and from the rational numbers only we got this. That means for any rational number, we know that it is in the form of p by q, and p and q are integers, and q not equal to 0. And also one more condition now here we got. Q should be a product of, the factor of q will be 2, 5 or 2 and 5 both. This is the case. So by seeing that only we can check and we can find the answer. By analyzing this only we will understand. So whenever 2 and 5 is there in the denominator, we come to know that they are terminating decimals. They are terminating decimals. But if any other number is coming there, we come to know, in addition to this, 2 raised to 3 is there, 5 raised to 3 should be there. If any other number, suppose if I am saying you, 7 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 7 into 5 raised to 4. Suppose I am saying. So we can analyze what? We can analyze the denominator and find the answer. So as per our theory, Q 2 power is there and 5 power is there. But additionally, 7 is also written there. So we come to know that it is non-terminating. So this is the way we can identify between terminating and non-terminating. I hope everybody got this one. Exercise 1.4, page number 70. First question. So without performing actual long division, we have to identify which is terminating and non-terminating. By the I have given you an idea, so by the concept only we can do that. First question is 13 by 3125. So 13 by 3125. So what I can do? We can do the factorization of 3125. So it will be what? 5, 6, 2, 5. So 5, 125, 525, 5, 5, 5, 1. So 13 divided by 5 raised to. Now see that my denominator contains a factor of 5. So I can say that it is a terminating decimal. You know how to find the factorization. So this is very simple actually. You have to practice it. Next question. 17 divided by 8. By seeing only I can understand 17 divided by 8. Factor is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 cube. 17 by 2 cube. By analyzing this I can see, okay, I can see a factor of 2 there. So it is also terminating decimal. Next question. 64 divided by 455. 64, I know that it is 2 raised to 6 divided by 455. If it is doing 9, how many? 5, how many times? 5, 91 times. Then only possible is 7. 7 13s are now 13 1. So it is having 5 into 7 into 13. Analyze this. It have a 5 factor in the denominator, that is my q, but it have an additional thing of 7 and 13. So what I said, if something is additional other than 2 or 5 and 2 and 5, what we can say? It is a non-terminating decimal. Clear it is? Next question. What is the next question? It is 15 divided by 1600. So 15 I can write as 3 into 5. Now 1600, I know that what is 16? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. That is 2 raised to 4 into 100 is there. Okay. 100 means I can write as 5 into 10 also. No problem for that. So I can cut this 5 and 5 both. Then again I am writing 3 by 2 raised to 4 into 10. I can split again 2 into 5. That is 3 by 2 raised to 4 plus 1. That is 5 into 5. So what I can say? I can see here denominator 2 and 5 containing. So it is a terminating decimal. Clear? Next question. If I am going very fast, please rewatch the video and you will understand it, because I have to give it in a lesser time. Then only it will be possible for you also for watching it. 29 divided by 343. It is 29 divided by 343. You know how to, what is the, you have to study the cubes from 1 to 15 and also squares from 1 to 25. Then it will be possible for you to identify the numbers very fast. 343 is the cube of 7. So what you can understand by this? So this is other than 2 and 5. So we can say that it is a non-terminating decimal. Now, next question is 23 divided by 2 raised to 5. 23 divided by 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. By seeing only, you can understand 2 and 5 are the factors. So directly we can say that it is a terminating decimal. It contains 2 factor and as well as 5 factor. Next question is 7th one. 129 divided by 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7 into 7 raised to 5. So these both are okay. We don't have any problem. But additionally, 7 raised to 5 is written there. And we know that this 7 raised to 5 and 129, it cannot be cut, as 129 is a lesser value and 7 raised to 5 is a larger value. So we can say that it is other than a number is also there. It is a non-terminating decimal. Next question is 6 by 15. So 6 I can write as 2 into 3 and 15 I can write as 3 into 5. So what we cut? 3 and 3 will cut and my answer is 2 by 5. By seeing this, what you can understand? Yes, it is also terminating, because what? My denominator have a factor of 5. So it is also terminating decimal. I hope everybody following what I am saying. Next question 9. 35 by 50. 35 I can write as 5 into 7 and 50 I can write as 5 into 2 into 5. So 25 into 2. Fine. Now 5 and 5 I cut. So 7 by 2 into 5. So this is a factor of 2 and 5. So I can say that it is a terminating decimal. Now the last question of this portion, 77 by 210. 77 I can write as 7 into 11. By 210 I can write as 3 into 7 into 10. Here 7 and 7 cut, but 3 I cannot cut. I can write as 11 by 3 into 2 into 5. Okay. 10, okay, I can split as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is already there, no problem. But additionally, what is there? 3 factors there. So what I can say? This is a non-terminating decimal number. Understood, everybody? So whenever our denominator, that is q, is not equal to 0 and also it contains a factor of 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers, we can say that it is what? Terminating number, terminating decimal. If something other than it or these are not there, we can say that they are non-terminating decimals. Now, what is the second question given? Second question states that from the first question, the decimal expansion of rational number we have to do for only terminating decimal. So we have found out some terminating decimals. So our first question is only the answer 0.00416. So for calculation purpose, I can write as 4.16 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so this also you can understand that by the word terminating means it ended at a time. Second question is 17 divided by 8. So you will get the answer when you divide it. When you divide it, you will get 8 2s are 16, then 1. You know how to divide it. 8 1s are 8, then 2 remaining 0, then 8 2s are 16, 4 is remaining 0. Then we know that 8 5s are is 40. Then you will get the remainder 0. So you will get the answer 2.125. There also you understood that it ended at a time, that is a terminating value. Next, which one? Fourth one was terminating. That is 15 by 1600. So by writing that 3 into 5 by 2 raised to 6 into 5 into 5. We can cancel it and you will get the balance value as 3 divided by 320. So when you divide it, you will get the answer 0.00937. That is also terminating. Next one which is terminating is the sixth one. That is 23 by 2 raised to 3 into 5 square. That is 23 divided by 200. Because 2 raised to 8 into 25, it is 200. So when you do this, you will get the answer 0.115. That is also we come to know that it is terminating. The next one which is terminating is eighth one. That is 6 by 15. 6 by 15, when you cut it, you get the answer 2 by 5. So it is automatically 0.4. That is also terminating. Then the last one is ninth one, which is terminating is ninth one. That is 35 by 50. Then we come to know that it is 7 by 5 into 5 into 2 into 5. 5 and 5 cut. So 7 by 10. So you will get directly know the answer. It is 0.7 because only one decimal position is there. So that is also terminating value. So this is how we can recheck also the answers. Before going to the next question, I want to say you that. So we know that there are rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. So what we have understood by rational number, several things, that is P by Q, where P and Q are integer values, and also Q should not be equal to 0 and Q should be in the form of 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Then what about irrational numbers? Have you thought about that at any time? And before going to that irrational number, we have concluded something related to the rational number. There are terminating decimal and also non-terminating decimals in rational number. For example of terminating and non-terminating, we have understood here. For example, if I am saying 5 divided by 2, it is what? 2.5. It is ending in a time. So that we can say it as a terminating rational number. But if I am saying you, I am just taking next page. So 5 divided by 2, I said it is 2.5. It is terminating. And also one more problem we have done similar, that 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Just now we have done. That is 23 divided by 200. We got the answer as 0.115. It ended at a time. That is also terminating rational number. These both are terminating rational numbers. But if I am asking you, if I am saying you whether Next question, 77 by 210. Last one. That was also non-terminating. So 11 by 2 into 5 into 3. We have done it. Into 7 into 7. 7, 7 cancelled. So we will come to know that it is 11 by 10, 11 by 30. So when you divide it, you will get the answer 0.36666666 is repeated. So we can say that it is 0.36 bar. Why this bar I have given? Because 6 is repeated. Okay. So this is terminating or non-terminating? It is a non-terminating number because it is not having any end. It is non-terminating number. But you can understand by this thing that a sequence is repeated here. It is repeated in a particular sequence. 6 is repeated. So we come to know that, okay, 6 is only repeated. So this number is also rational number. This is non-terminating rational number. Understood? So whenever there is a number is repeated in a particular sequence, I will give more example. Suppose if I am saying 0.125, 125, 125, etc. So this is also I can understand. Okay, 125 is only repeated. I can write as 0.125 bar. This is a non-terminating rational number. 0.001, it is going like that. This is also non-terminating rational number. Otherwise, 0.12346, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. It is going on continuously going like that. So we can identify a sequence. Whenever a sequence is identified, we can say that it is non-terminating rational number. So rational numbers are terminating, that means it is stopped. Decimal it is stopped, so that is definitely rational number. And not terminating, if it is going in a sequence, we can say that it is a non-terminating rational number. So please look at third question of that exercise 1.4, you will understand it more. So what is the first question written there? 43.123456789. It ended. It has shown in the question that it ended. So we can say that it is a terminating rational number. What is the second question given? 0.1200120000120000. Can you find any number repeated sequentially? Can you find that? No, it is 0.120. If you ask again 120 only, we could say that okay, it is a non-terminating rational number. But what happened here? Additional 1 0 came. Again 1 2, then 000 came. So it means what? It is not ending or it is not repeating in a correct sequence. So we can say that it is a non-terminating, then irrational number. Understood? I said now regarding last day only, I have told you that first class only I have told you that what is the value of pi, 3.14. It is repeated and repeated and repeated. Till 100 decimal the scientists have counted and they couldn't find any number repeating in a sequence. So we can say that it is an irrational number. So, and our last question is 43.123456789 and a bar is written. What is the meaning of bar? I already told you that 43.123456789. Again it is repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can understand. Okay, the same sequence is repeated every time. So this is also non-terminating, but it is a rational. This is the major question in the major topic of this chapter. So you have to practice to each and every question, then it will definitely reach you. It is so easy and it is very easy actually. So exercise 1.3 related rational number, terminating as well as not terminating, and irrational number difference. Everything we have discussed here in the session. Thank you for watching this session. Hope you like this. The like button and please do comment your suggestions on the comment box. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe it and please do click the bell icon nearby it. So thank you very much. So We can wait till as tomorrow. I will be coming with a new session and interesting topic. So thank you very much. Bye.